Good morning. It's Wednesday. That means that we have an asynchronous task to complete together. To help you out, I'm going to be giving you an article read aloud for this article that goes with the Week 15 close reading assignment. It's called Study Suggests Video Games Can Help Mental Health. So right away, I thought this would be a topic that a lot of you would be interested in. You can see some Nintendo Switch lights, as a student corrected me on yesterday. And I'm going to read you the text. I don't think there's any words in here that I need to pre-teach you. The vocabulary is pretty straightforward. When I picked this assignment, I was trying to find one that was at our level so that we're not focusing on vocab, but rather on the deeper ideas like the central idea, the supporting evidence, the conclusion, transition sentences, that kind of thing. So you should be pretty familiar with all of the words in this text, which is a good thing. So let's read this together. Oxford University is a school in England. Scientists at Oxford have done a study. It was about video games. The scientists wanted to know, do video games harm or help our mental health? Mental health affects how people feel and act. The scientists needed two kinds of information. First, they needed to know how much time people spent playing video games. Second, they needed to know how players felt while playing. More than 3,000 video game players were in the study. Some played the game Plants vs. Zombies. The others played Animal Crossing. New section. Players answered questions. After playing, the players took a survey. They answered questions about their feelings. The questions asked how they felt playing video games. The answers were matched up to how much time they spent playing. This information came from the game companies. They shared it with the scientists. They were able to get the numbers from the players' game devices. This way, the scientists knew it was correct. This was new. Scientists have studied video game players before, but their research was based on the guesses from the players about how long they had been playing. So the players were guessing, scientists were not measuring. This is the first time they worked together with game companies. New section. Time spent playing had an effect. The scientists looked at the playing times and survey answers. They matched up the data. What did they find? The study showed that how much time a person spent playing video games had a small effect. It boosted their happiness and mental health. This means that playing for a longer amount of time may improve a person's mood. The study showed something else, too. How much happiness the players get from a game is important. It may be more important than playtime. In other words, how happy a game makes you may have a bigger effect on mental health than how much time you spend playing. New and final section. Scientists need to review the study. The paper has not been looked over by other scientists yet. Some scientists say there may be problems with the study. Joseph Hilgard was one of them. He teaches at Illinois State University. Hilgard said we cannot be sure if it was the two video games that made people feel good. The study does not prove this, he said. For example, maybe the players were playing other kinds of games too, or maybe something else in their life was making them happy or sad. All right, there is our article on study suggests that video games can help mental health. What I'd like you to do now is to go back to your Canvas assignment and practice annotating the text for me, where you highlight the central idea, supporting evidence, and the conclusion. And when you're all done with that, please make sure that you answer all 4 questions on the final page in complete, detailed sentences. If you need at any point to rewind this video, go ahead and do that, because that is a good way to help you find evidence. If you need any help, I am free to help you out today. Just need to either call the school to talk to me, or you can send me a message on Canvas or on email, and I'll get in touch with you. Okay? Good luck. I can't wait to see your answers, and I will talk to you soon. How do I end it? Where'd my little thing go? Dun, dun, dun.